Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys what an interior room looks like on Carnival Freedom. So this is room 1037, which is located towards the front of the ship. Once you enter the room, this is what the back of the door looks like. This is where you will find a lot of the emergency information. Here you do have a light switch. As you can see, it gets pitch black in this room. So there was plenty of closet space. So there was just the two of us, and I would say more than enough space for us to unpack for our 5-day cruise. And then right next to it, here's another one. And up top, you do have your life vest. Here you do have additional storage and a full-length mirror. And here you do have your thermostat. This card was already placed in there, so you don't have to remember to, leave your key card in there for the AC to run. The room temperature did feel pretty comfortable, so no complaints about that. Here you do have the bathroom. So the shower, very standard. They provide you with shampoo and shower gel. The water pressure was also really nice. We did have an issue with the drain at one point where it wasn't draining, but they handled that very quickly. You do also have the dreaded shower curtain, but again, it is what it is. Water pressure was pretty nice, which I'm huge on water pressure, guys. It does not make or break my trip, but I just like to point that out. Very standard cruise bathroom. It was very snug, but we knew what we signed up for. We drink a lot of water, and we did purchase additional prior to the cruise. So those were waiting for us as soon as we got to the room. Down below, you do have your mini cooler. On this side, you have a decent sitting area. Up top, you have a pretty tiny TV. I think this might be the tiniest TV I've seen, but again, we didn't really use it much. There are some standard channels that you can watch for free. Down below, you have the safe. Below that, you do have some waters. Those are not complimentary. I believe they were $4.50 per bottle. You do have another mirror located here, so if you're a makeup girly, you have that set up. And then they also gave us a paper schedule every single day, but we also had the app as well, which had the exact same things listed. You also have an entertainment spotlight, which I think is pretty cool. So they pretty much highlight a lot of the major entertainment things that are going on for that night. You also have the reminder of the rules, and then also just some good to know information. They do also provide you with some pool towels, and these towels you can use for excursions as well. Just make sure that you return them. You do have a standard outlet located right here. Here you do have another charging outlet. You also have USB ports, and it's the exact same thing on the opposite side. I will mention this was our first time booking an interior room, and this was some of the best sleep I've ever gotten in my life. I think it's because of how pitch dark the room got. There's a light switch right there. Would I book this again? I think depending on the circumstances, I would. Now, balconies will always be my preference, but if the price is right, I would definitely book an interior room again. So if you would like to see how the rest of our trip went at Celebration Key, Princess K, Nassau, if you would like a full ship walkthrough, those will be linked down below. So make sure that you're subscribed and you're following along for more. Thanks for watching.